going to do a review on this solar water fountain that's designed for water just like this. There are 6 types of water spray. There's a couple packages of parts, and here's the main unit. There's the solar side, and wow, as soon as I turn it over, I can feel it start to hum and vibrate. We're supposed to peel this off before using it. Wow, now you can really hear it go even. I'm going to try setting it in the water without adding the stabilizers and see what happens. Wow, it's working already. We'll try putting the nozzle on now. This is the one we've chosen. Insert the clip into the end of one of those tubes. Press from here because you have to press pretty hard. You don't want the clip to break. Press it right into that slot. Now we have the nozzle on and these balancers to help keep it in the center too. Here we go. There it starts. Give it a few more seconds. Here it comes. It looks like it's getting the air out. Maybe it's gaining power. I'm gonna try submersing this the whole way first in case there's air in there. I see some air bubbles. Well, I've got to say it's pretty underwhelming so far. We've let this run a while and there's plenty of air that did come out, but there's no more air coming out. So this is the way apparently it works. It pulses. I'll show you some of the different nozzles. Here's another one. It's supposed to be a little bit different. Has a few less plumes, I guess. Here's the next one. Here's another nozzle, kind of interesting. This one shoots it straight up in the air. All right, and this is the last one. Maybe this is my favorite. I will say it definitely depends on how much sun is shining, but no matter how much sun is shining, I think it's gonna pulse. So in summary, it was very easy to set up and start using. It's not what we were expecting because we were not expecting the pulsing, but it will keep our water moving. Maybe we'll have less mosquito larvae in here.